Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put together a quick video just showing you how to reset the service light on this new shape Renault Trafic. It's a 2022 this one, with this style dash on it and these steering wheel controls. You can just see we've got the service required message on the dash there. Now, it's quite a straightforward reset, but it's different to the earlier ones. Basically, we're just on the ignition stage 2, it just puts these certain lights on the dash there. I'm just going to use the control panel on the steering wheel there. To start with, just going to press this menu button just to scroll across, and you want to get onto the one with a little car on it there. If you scroll down with the up and down arrows, you want to get to where it says oil change there. You just see we've got 0 miles left. Just press and hold the down button, keep it depressed. You just see it starts flashing, just keep the button depressed. And eventually it just resets. It's held on there now, 24,900, sorry. And then you can just simply turn the ignition off and back on, and the service light will now be reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.